Hi everyone. Today we're going to be running you quickly through how to use our e-learning platform, which is at www.passsce.com. When you get to the home page, you can see the instructions. With every 200 Naira MTN recharge, you have got 3 days before it expires. So we're going to head straight to the demo, which is totally available to the public. This is for English language, which is the free route. All the other routes for the other subjects need you to activate before you could start to use it. Uh, your aggregates are your scores, and they're updated with every question you attempt. So the events reported in the newspaper did not happen years ago. They happened recently. Okay, so to be eligible for a scholarship, you need to have answered the first 100 questions with a high distinction score. Uh, References are some materials that we've gotten content from. Uh, so you can totally try this at your spare time. It is available to the public. To learn more about our platform, you need to click the cloud button, which brings you here. And that's about it. Thank you very much.